So, hello again, it's me, Shai. Welcome mabot ka sa video na ito. First time mong mag-watch ng video ko, well, this channel provides some information about how to become a virtual assistant, a freelancer, or someone na gustong magkatrabaho online. So, para lang to sa mga newbies at walang experience. But if you're someone na magaling na, just a disclaimer, hindi po ako expert, hindi ako guru, or someone na nagpo-provide ng mga courses. I'm just here to help somebody na gustong matuto because that was me 4 years ago when I started na walang pwedeng pagtanungan at nahihirapan mag-start ng kanilang career as a virtual assistant or working online. Well, for this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you on how to create a website portfolio. Well, it's not really necessary na kailangan mo ng website portfolio bago ka maka-apply. Pero there are clients na naghahanap talaga sila ng website portfolio mo, lalo-lalo na pag gusto mo mag-apply as a social media manager na kailangan ng mga work samples or maybe a graphic artist. So it's better na prepared ka when you apply. Especially for those beginners, you can definitely watch this. And if you don't have any idea on how to create website portfolio, I'm gonna be sharing with you a simple way on how to create it in Canva. So watch this. I'm gonna be sharing with you on how to create a simple website portfolio sa Canva. Go to Canva. You can choose a portfolio template na pwede mong gamitin para sa sarili mong website portfolio. For example, this, pili ka lang, maraming options dyan. And bagay sa personality mo, bagay sa gusto mong mangyari sa website mo. Some people, once na yung portfolio nila is aesthetic, minimalist, you can definitely choose something like this. So make sure lang na change mo yung lahat ng information na nandito sa template. Add your name. Then after adding your name, you can also change the photo. You can add photos of yourself and maybe something like makukot yung attention ni client, and then add something to tell more about what are the services that you can do or who are you. Just make sure na si client mai-interested while seeing your website portfolio. Pinaka-importante talaga na ilagay mo yung samples of your works. Kung graphic designer ka, ilagay mo yung mga sample na nagawa mo na. Kung social media manager ka, ilagay mo yung mga stats, yung client report na mga analytics na maganda. So you can add there. Then you can add something na pwedeng maintay si client na basahin yung portfolio mo. Just always make sure na yung nilalagay mo sa portfolio mo ay talagang sayo, hindi mo kinapi sa ibang portfolio. So in Canva, you have the option to save it as a website. So, ibibigay mo lang yung link kay client para makita niya yung website portfolio mo. For example, like this. And then, I'm gonna share with you my sample portfolio. Usually, ito yung sinisend ko before sa clients ko. Pag sinend ko yung link, ganito yung makikita nila first. And then, sa baba, pag nag-scroll down sila, there's a clickable part which mararoute sila dun kung ano yung services ko, yung actual client results, mga testimonials, and mga sample of my work. Ginawa ko ganito kasi para hindi na mahirapan si client hanapin kung saan yung pwede niya i-click kapag gusto niya makita yung mga testimonials, yung mga client reviews ko, yung mga samples, madali niya lang maklik. Siyempre, nilagyan ko din siya ng background ng digital experience ko. I work as a virtual assistant, as a social media manager, and a customer service representative. Dapat makita din niya ni client kasi baka may ibang task pa siya na pwedeng ipagawa sa'yo, so pwede kanyang bayaran for that task. Pero lahat depende niya yan sa inyo. For me kasi mas convenient pag nakikita ni client lahat on the first part of your portfolio kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. So for example, this, I provided all the things that I do. Nag-intro ako and have an overview on what are the things that I'm good at. Siyempre, nilagay ko din yung slogan ko, well, my name is Shai, not just your ordinary business ally. Pwede din kayong gumawa-gawa ng mga ganong slogan para mapansin lang ni client. Yung iba naman, gusto nila medyo minimalist or aesthetic lang makita yung portfolio nyo. Well, for me, you can definitely do that. Pero para sa akin kasi, I want to show my client who I am and what my personality is. So, depende na yan sa inyo. Everything can be linked to the tab that you want. So, for example, dito, pag clinic ni client yung My Services, lalabas tong tab na to. Makikita ni client kung ano yung pwede kong i-offer sa kanya. So, nakalagay dito na I can offer social media assistance, admin and office support, digital marketing, customer service, brand and identity design, content creation. Tapos yun, makikita ni client na, uy, pwede pala siya gawin ng ganito or all-in-one na pala siya or meron siyang mga bagay na pwedeng gawin. So, from there, you can definitely price kung ano yung gusto mong rate kay client. Make sure that you describe how you work. So, for example, this social media management. So, ginawa kong step-by-step process kung ano yung gagawin ko sa kanya para effective yung pag-work ko as a social media manager. Ganun lang. Nandito sa samples, makikita ni client kung ano yung mga sample works mo. For example, creative social media samples yung nilagay ko. First off, caption writing. So, I do caption writing sa Google My Business post ng client ko. So, nilagay ko siyang sample. So, pag nakita ni client na ganito, marunong ka mag-caption writing, it's another skill na marirealize niya na, pwede pala siyang mag-write ng captions or pwede pala siyang sumulat ng vlog. So, another value para sa'yo. So, ito, mga sample renders ko lang sa realtors or real estate agents na mga clients ko in the US. So, they have their own branding. I created this and usually post for their social media contents. So, maganda tingnan pag coordinated yung mga colors, right? Another example, if you are able to create a page or set up a page and do engagement, you can definitely do that. If you can create newsletter design, pwede mong ilagay din kung ano yung mga na-design mo na newsletters. And then, if you work with branding and identity design, for example, this, it's a beauty product. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay. For this one, it's just a mock-up. Hindi talaga siya totoong product. Ginawa ko lang siya kasi may mga clients na nagpapagawa ng branding and design for certain products. Also, this one is just a mock-up. So, pwede ka mag-create kahit anong gawin mo. That's what I said. You can create anything in Canva. Just be creative. This one is one of my favorite. It's a local business here in the Philippines na marami na silang franchise. So, I also post on their social media and I manage all of their social media accounts on different franchise and different locations. This one is also a local business na pinagpracticean ko mag-social media management. So it's another example here. It's a local business na beauty lounge in the Philippines. You can definitely practice your social media management skill sa business ng friend mo. So, dapat may part ka din kung saan may client testimonials or mga review. So, for this, I emailed my previous clients and asked for a review. And then also, I added my client reviews in Upwork. So, yun na. Makikita na agad ni client, marunong pala siya. Nagawa niya pala ganito na task. Well, isa din sa mga napapansin ni client, if you have this kind of tab in your portfolio na makikita niya yung actual client results. So, ano yung mga nagawa mo? Ano yung mga posts na grabe na maraming likes? Ano yung performance niya? Yung analytics niya? Kung how many views yung nagawa ng isang video or ng post mo? So, si Facebook and Instagram, usually may mga insights yan about how many accounts reach, ano yung mga accounts engage, and your total followers na na-add. It's also very essential that you have a lot of contact options for your client. It could be your phone number, your Instagram, your email, very important yan, your website, even WhatsApp, Skype, Viber, para at least may option si clients on how to contact you. Very important yung email, pero mas madali ka nilang mahanap if meron kang instant messaging app like WhatsApp, Skype, or Viber. So now you already know what are the parts of a good portfolio. You can definitely create your website in Canva. Before, I use Google Sites to create it. It's also free, so better itry nyo yun. I know that from now you are ready to create your portfolio, so better start na. I always hope that you will get your client as soon as possible. At syempre, sa next video, matututunan nyo naman kung saan ba pwede makahanap ng mga easy jobs for newbies, lalo na yung walang experience. So, watch out for this. If nagustuhan nyo yung mga videos na to at may mga tanong pa kayo, pwede kayong mag-comment down below. And pwede din yung notification bell para always updated ka. If you have some questions for me, of course, you can reach out sa aking mga social media accounts. It's Hey Miss Shai on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. And of course, sa TikTok ko, may mga series of videos din ako na pwede mong matutunan. Mga websites na pwede mong pag-applyan, mga tips and tips, na mga short form videos lang na sure ako na pwede mong matutunan lahat. So again, it's me, Shai, not just your ordinary business ally. Follow me for more. Bye!